Yo, what's going on? I'm vlogging, McVlogger. What's going on, Tone? What you got to say to the camera, man? 2020, you going in?
Oh, man.
2020, brother.
Too much on my mind to talk about 2020 right now.
Too much on your mind? What's going on? Hey, Blue, what you got 2020, brother?
2020, man. We here. We're going strong.
You said what?
We're going strong.
Strong in what, bro?
Strong in everything you put your mind to.
No, not everything you put your mind to, though. No. Now 2020 is all about new adventures, huh? New.
19 was one level, now everybody take it to a whole nother level.
A whole nother level, getting money. Yeah, sure. Y'all see the goddamn shorter, man. Gold digger. Nigga say that shit look like gold digger on the off rip, like when you first glance at it.
I thought it said gold.
But goddamn it say gold digger, my guy. As always, you gotta dig your goals this year. Yeah, that's what it's all about. Yee.
Bless up.
Woo! Ghost gang family, what's going on with y'all young boys today? Coming back at y'all with another video. You did what I'm saying? In a whole month, brother. I ain't even gonna count to y'all, bro. A whole month since I posted a video. Goddamn, my hat for that's cricket, but fuck, it's gonna rock. I know it, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'll put that thing for like these. I ain't put that thing for like these. It's been a whole month since I posted a video, bro. Look, man, 2020 though, bro. We here, we lit. We lit, it's 2020. You know what I'm saying? Man, shout out to all the Ghost gang. Shout out to all y'all, man. I love y'all, bro. I'm gonna make a separate video from this. I really got up to turn on this camera, bro. It's just something made me so mad. When I was looking at my phone, I just got up. I had to turn on the camera and fucking express my feelings about these weak ass shoes, bro. I'm sorry, I had to. That's how mad I was. I was laying on the couch comfortable, looking at the game and shit, you feel me? Just enjoying my time, watching the fucking game. That's it, just watching the wild card playoff game, you know what I'm saying? That's all I was doing, bro, right? I'm over here scrolling on Instagram, and then, you know, shit just made me mad. I'm scrolling, I'm like, hold on, bro. And I scroll past these. So this is what we doing. Jordan brand, this is what we doing. Reverse, what is this? So reverse he got games, bro? Bro, these niggas is running out of ideas, bro. These shits is trash. I'm sorry. These shits is trash. These shits is horrible, bro. I ain't gonna count reverse Texas at first. When I first seen them, I was like, come on, man. Y'all gonna destroy my favorite shoe of all time, the Texas itself. Texas is my favorite shoe of all time, right? And I'm like, these niggas gonna reverse. They ain't look right to me at first, but then I seen them. I had to look at them again, though. I had to give it another chance. I looked at them again. I was like, hold on, these are actually kind of straight. These kind of straight, bro. The reverse Texas is straight, but the reverse he got games, though. Come on, man. Them shits, come on, bro. Jordan brand, bro. Y'all running out of ideas, man. I was never the nigga to be like, oh, y'all run out of ideas. I always like, you know, when niggas try to shit new. But damn, bro. The reverse he got games, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, man. Y'all gotta come with something better than that. Damn, man. I know y'all gotta start making these shits limited again. I mean, I understand y'all trying to, you know, want everybody to get their pair of shoes. You know, back then, you know, in the like 2010, 2012, all that crazy shit, niggas was getting shot over Jordans, man. Fuck that, man. Y'all gotta start bringing that shit back, bro. Making these shits more limited. Cause y'all running out of too many ideas. And y'all just bringing up shit. Now at this point, nigga, y'all need to put me on y'all team. Put me on y'all team, man. I'll get y'all right, man. I'll get the community right. Y'all niggas need to start stealing ideas. Somebody on y'all fucking marketing team, designer team need to start going stealing ideas. That's what y'all like to do anyway. Cause I seen y'all steal a couple niggas ideas with shoes. So I need to start go stealing colorways from niggas, man. Cause some of these concepts be looking more fire than the actual retail pairs that y'all be releasing to the public. But anyway, man, I just wanted to get on here and you know, get on here and rant about that. So I think these bitches is releasing, what is it, January? I think they released January 11th for one night. I don't know how much these cost, but man, if y'all wanna go get them, y'all go get them. To each his own, man. Let me know in the comment section how y'all feel about these. I just was really upset, bro. I ain't gonna count, just really upset at these, just looking at these shoes, bro. I'm like, bro, y'all serious? You serious right now? Pretty much you telling me 2020, this is what y'all came with at the top of the year? Man, y'all capped out. Y'all not follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. All those links are in the description of this video. Let me know how y'all feel down below in the comment section about these reverse he got gangs, bro. Me, y'all already know my opinion. These bitches trash. I don't give a fuck how y'all talk. I don't care. I don't care how y'all feel about it. I think these bitches is horrible. You know what I'm saying? I always stick up for Jordan Brand, you feel me? But these ain't it, coach. I'm sorry. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new. You dig? It is one and only MajorKixx.
Hate and say we changing, look, we made it.